today we are going to learn the difference between pet animals, farm animals, and wild animals. First, pet animals. Dog, dog. Bird, bird. Cat, cat. Mouse, mouse. Turtle, turtle. Fish, fish. Second, farm animals. Sheep, sheep. Cow, cow. Goat, goat. Rooster, rooster. Duck, duck. Hen, hen. Horse, horse. Donkey, donkey. Rabbit, rabbit. Third, wild animals. Lion, lion. Zebra, zebra. Giraffe, giraffe. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Tiger, tiger. Monkey, monkey. Elephant, elephant. Parrot, parrot. Fox, fox. Crocodile, crocodile. Panda, panda. Rhino, rhino. Bear, bear. Gorilla, gorilla. Snake, snake. Gazelle, gazelle. Thank you. Bye.